So, hi, this is a video demo regarding in your concern that when you log in your app, it says here that it never started play. So I'm going to show you a video demo, and this is for iOS. So I have here, this is an iPhone XR. As you can see here, this is the make and model of the device. So I'm going to test if this is working. Okay, so I've created a demo account for you. So that I can show you that this is working on an iOS. So this is for the iOS version. This is our demo account. This is already synced. Now, if you're a new user, you have to log in here. If your account is syncing, I was synced already. So just type in your login credential here and you click the login button. And as you can see here, you will be routed here. The video will just autoplay here. Okay, so there is no forward button in this so that the other user will finish the video and they can earn points in this. As you can see, you cannot pause and play. The user should finish this video so that they can earn points for here. If we will place a forward here, there's a tendency or a user will not finish this welcome video on the mobile app. So let's finish the video and I will walk you through to the other parts to access the social, the share on social and this. So let's just finish the video here, okay? So the video is almost done here. So and after that, the video, as you've noticed here, the continue button is now accessible. So just click this and it will show this that you've earned a points here. So you have to select a setting goals here. So example of checking this and continue. So you can now access inside the mobile app here. So let's go to the share and social. When you click the share and social, this is the main menu. Okay, and you have to select a category. Example, let's check this lifestyle. Under that, it is showing an empty screen here. So you have to choose under the subcategory, because on the mobile endpoint, this was set under the subcategory. So let's pick one of this. Example, this one. So this is how you show, how you can access, okay, share on social. So basically, every user has to finish all the video, the welcome video. They are required to finish that, so that they will watch the intro video and then they can earn points and set their goals. Okay, so that's it for the iPhone XR, and it is working, and it is working normally. Thank you.